What's going on, y'all? Rob Anderson with Clean Power Wash, Delmarva Christmas lights. Guys, it's full-fledged Christmas light season. And I basically operate out of this sales car. It's ridiculous. So I got my chicken feed in the back seat there. Got to replace a whatever vent pipe or whatever. We got some propane tank that needs to be refilled. All the duct tape for some electric lines that are going across the parking lot. My hoodies, because it's, you know, gone from below freezing to, I'm in short sleeve shirt. I probably switched to shorts. Got some garland in the back, lawn signs. The trunk's got Christmas lights in it. Got my drone, all the cameras, repair kits, my toolkits. I got all kinds of stuff in here, y'all. I don't know if y'all can say you got as much crap going on in your sales vehicle, but I do. And anyways, I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you're having an awesome year. Keep pushing. Year's almost done. We'll probably hit that 7-figure mark either at the end of this week or I think we might have already hit it. I don't know. We were at like 989, which is awesome. Running more profit this year, which is good. We don't have a boatload of cash again, which is not good, but we will get paid and all will be good. So keep washing, keep screwing in light bulbs, getting them installed. Do a great job. See ya.